Start over.
Like this?
Yep, start over.
Scale, 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 crow, color. Scale, crow, color.
Very good.
How about the next page?
Scarecrow colors. The hat is brown. It says the hat is brown. The scarf is red. The scarf is red.
Good.
The gloves, sometimes I get this part mixed up.
Okay.
The gloves are orange. The gloves are yellow. See, this is yellow. It's made with lots of fingers for your hand.
Very good.
The pants are blue. See, it's blue for your hands. See, it's blue for your hands.
I see that. Cool.
And what is this color?
What do you think?
Black. The boots are black. See, this is black. It's
Cool.
also a sign of fall and winter a little bit, but it's a sign of rainy. So here we got the scarecrow, and this has no words, so I'll just read it to you. Scarecrow colors. See, it's a person with no head. But it scares everybody and the birds eat it. So Dad, let's do some homework.
All right.